Hey y'all, I am back with another gift guide for you guys, but this time it is last minute gifts from Sephora Inside JCPenney under $30. Thank me later because this gift guide is definitely lit and you will definitely get something from this gift guide. I promise you I have something for everybody. So this video is brought to you in partnership with Sephora Inside JCPenney. They helped me get some of these items in today's video, but I handpicked every single item in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first gift idea is one of my favorites, and it is YSL Black Opium perfume. One of my hands down favorite perfumes ever. Definitely one of those perfumes that you just wear on a special occasion. So there's notes of black coffee, white flowers, and vanilla in this fragrance, and I gotta smell it. This is a very deep, spicy scent, and you want to wear it on cool nights, maybe a date, something like that. Very special occasions. So I have the full size because I actually wear this and I love it, but the rollerball size is actually only $28. Can't beat it. It's an amazing fragrance, and definitely if you want to get this for a girlfriend or something, get her the rollerball, or if you want to get it for your best friend, get this size. You won't regret it, but make sure that she loves spicy, very vivid scents. The next gift idea would be perfect to pair with other gifts, as well as just something that maybe you want to get a coworker or something on the fly if you don't have a lot of time and you know that she's always touching up her makeup or something like that. My pick is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. One of my absolute favorite setting powders of all time. I discovered this product this year and I absolutely love it because it is so light. It just melts into the skin. It does not give any flashback. It actually helps with my T-zone area because I'm very oily right there, but it does not wear off throughout the day, and I love that. It's so awesome. And like I said, it's not cakey or heavy or anything like that. It just melts into the skin and gives me that luminous finish. I love it. It is $23. $23. You can't beat it. This is a great setting powder from Bare Minerals. Definitely one of my absolute must-haves in my makeup bag. So the next gift idea, I was so excited whenever I saw it because I could not believe the price of this product for as much as you get. And it is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. And she has a few different palettes in the Obsessions collection, but I chose the Amethyst because I'm in love with purple, as you may know now, and I just could not pass it up once I put my eyes on the shadows of this palette. So you get 9 shades in this palette, and you get 3 mattes, 3 metallics, and 3 shimmers. And guess how much it was? You'll never believe it. $27. First of all, it comes in this conveniently small packaging, which I love, and it's a very cute packaging, very vivid and just eye-catching. It comes with a mirror as well, so that's a bonus. You know, usually palettes come with a cheap brush or something like that, but when they come with a mirror, I could really appreciate that. So these are the colors on the inside. Are y'all ready? Look at how beautiful. I don't even know if the camera can even give it any justice at all, but simply beautiful. Cannot pass it up. The next gift idea, I definitely could not pass it up when I saw it because it was so cute. The packaging was just all in my face. I could not pass it up. But this is by Bite Beauty, and it is the Sweet Treats Holiday Hangover Agave Lip Care Set, and it is in lavender. How coincidental. If you've been watching my channel, then you know why I say it like that. But anyway, so yeah, it's in lavender, and you get a lip mask, a lip scrub, and lip balm. Let me tell you all about this product. I love it. I've been using it for years now, and I just absolutely could not pass it up when I saw it because the price is unbeatable. So I got this for $12. Yes, perfect stocking stuffer. Definitely a last minute gift. When I saw it, I was like, I have to get it. Look at the packaging. It's in this glass bottle, and it's like medicine, and it's supposed to be like this emergency lip kit. And I love this stuff because it really hydrates my lips. I get chapped lips, especially in the winter time, and I like to prep my lips with the agave lip balm, and it just, I mean, it does wonders before you put any type of liquid lipstick or anything like that. It's amazing. So yeah, I love this and I could not pass it up. So another great deal that I got at Sephora Inside JCPenney, and I can be honest, I got this for myself, okay? I need a gift too. It is the Anasazi at Beverly Hills lip gloss set. Now, you get 4 shades of lip gloss, okay? And these are highly pigmented shades from Anasazi Beverly Hills. When I swatched these, I was like, they're for me, they're for me, and they're for me. Mom needs a gift, okay? Yeah. And of course, these are considered to be mini lip glosses. They're not full size, but they're definitely big enough. I want to say that they're like half the size of the full size, so still a great gift. Definitely something that you can get as a full out gift. It doesn't have to be like a little side gift or additional or a stocking stuffer or anything like that. This is great, and I got this for $25. That's it, $25 for this. So you definitely get to stay under your $30 budget. The next gift idea that I got from Sephora Inside JCPenney is Smashbox's Holidays Photo Finish Travel Primer Set. And this is the trio, so you get 3 of their best-selling primers on the market. And if you don't know, you probably should know that Smashbox has the absolute best primers in the world, and they're definitely a cult favorite. So you get the Photo Finish Primer Water, you get the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, and then you get the Photo Finish Primerizer, which is the primer plus moisturizer. Guess how much I got it for? $15. 15. Yeah, so you get travel size products, 3 of them, 3 of the best for $15. You really can't beat that, and I think that this is a perfect gift for someone who travels a lot because it is conveniently in travel sizes. Definitely a full out gift. You don't have to, like, this doesn't have to be a stocking stuffer like this box. Just the presentation is perfect, so you could just give this to like a coworker maybe, or maybe a friend that you know that travels a lot. I think this is a great gift idea, and like I said, the price is pretty much, you know, unbeatable. So the next gift idea under $30 is definitely something that I had to mention because this video just could not go on without mentioning something from Fenty Beauty. Okay, so definitely had to slip that in there. Fenty Beauty just released one of their new products before the holidays, and guess what? I have it right here. It is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb in Fussy. One of my favorite lip gloss formulas ever because it's very quick. I love the wand. It's thick and it's wide, and it's just really easy to just glide on your lips throughout the day, and it's just a lightweight glossy finish. I just love it. So this is Fussy, and this is their new release. It's a beautiful, nice shimmery pink, and it's very sheer, so you can't really tell that it's like pink, but they have the like pink shimmer, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a lot different from the other ones. So it is absolutely beautiful, and I could not pass it up. Of course, the packaging is amazing. You already know how Fenty gets down, but I had to mention this, and you only get it for $18. So that's definitely not a bad price, and I think pretty much anybody who loves makeup, or even if they don't love makeup, they know about Fenty. Fenty is a household name now, so definitely a great gift for anybody who wears lip gloss. I actually have it on right now. If you can see, I'm a little pale right now, but you know, you can see the lips, they popping, so yeah. The next gift idea is definitely a bonus item. Now this is for a mom, a sister, someone that you truly care for, someone that you love, maybe a best friend. But I could not go on without mentioning the Sultry palette by Anasazi Beverly Hills, because they make some of my favorite eyeshadows ever. Best formula, hands down, ever. But look at this packaging. You have to really like whoever you buy this gift for, because It's $45, so it's a little bit over the $30 budget, but like I said, it's a bonus item. You don't have to get it, but definitely get it for somebody you really like. It has 14 shades in it, and it has a mixture of shimmers, a mixture of mattes, and very, very highly pigmented shimmers. So yeah, sultry palette it is. Get this for somebody you really like. I mean, or you can always treat yourself to it like I did. Just saying. Well, y'all, that concludes my last minute gift ideas from Sephora Inside JCPenney for under $30. I really hope this gift guide helped you, and hopefully you can use some of these gift ideas to your advantage. Definitely make sure to click on the links down below so that you can shop online. But also definitely, if you're running very late and you're running last minute, you probably want to go to your local Sephora Inside JCPenney so that you can get these gifts right now, because I promise you they are going quick. They're going quick. These are actually really hot items that I chose, and yes, they're definitely going quick, and for that price point you really can't beat it, and people are catching on. So definitely get these and get them soon. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Peace.